Nobody likes to do dishes, but it's really not that bad if you have one of these. Now, as you can see, the tub of the dishwasher and the main parts are all made of stainless steel, which means longer life. It's also equipped with the inverter power drive motor, which assures high performance with a notably quieter function and low energy consumption. I call it wallet friendly. All right, now this won't be a problem. Fully inox tub is one of the largest on the market. 3 baskets allow up to 16 plate settings at a time. This fully flexible interior allows for different loading options. When it comes to performance, this really is the one. This dishwasher has 3 spray arms. There is a new top spray arm for up to 30% better cleaning results. Clean dishes, guaranteed. All right, now, which program to choose? There is this excellent automatic program. The innovative sensor technology allows the machine to automatically perceive how soiled the dishes are. Thus, glassware and porcelain items are washed excellently at low temperatures, while heavy-duty pots and pans are treated with higher temperatures. Also, 15-minute speed wash program is very convenient. So all you have to do is set up your dishwasher for 1 hour and then add speed wash program. Dishes will be ready before I clap my hands twice. Whoa! Did you see that? The door opens at the end automatically, and that allows fresh air to go in and dry the crockery completely. Cool, right? There's one more thing to point out. Taking care of your favorite housekeeper. To prevent any bacteria and smell, you can run the Selfclean program. Even if you do it just once a month, you'll never have to hand scrub the dishwasher hub, spray arms, and pipes again. Less cleaning, more free time, right? I think we've covered the most important features of the dishwasher. Now, if you would like to know more information, please read the details about the product. And now, we can put them back on the shelves. Come, help me. Where are you going? Hey, come back.
Gorenje. Life simplified.